National media contingent was present at court. Pistorius is charged with the Valentine's Day murder of his girlfriend Riva Steenkamp at his Silverwoods golf estate. He will be kept behind bars to give his defence team time to prepare his bail application and gather evidence. Magistrate Desmond Nair ruled that Pistorius be kept at the Brooklyn police station to give his defence team easy access to consult with him. The defence will try to prove that the crime is a Schedule 5 offence where there is less of an onus on the accused. The magistrate ruled against live broadcasts of Pistorius' court appearance. He allowed photographs to be taken while the court was not in session, as well as audio of the arguments and judgment. Now, for more on the story, we cross live to our reporter Patricia Fasahi, who is at the Pretoria Magistrates Court. Good afternoon, Patricia. Why was the bail application postponed?
As you have mentioned earlier, the state is arguing that they think this was a premeditated murder. Now, prosecutor Harry Nell did argue in court today that they do not believe Mr. Pistorius' argument of events as to what led to Riva Steenkamp's death yesterday morning at his Silverwoods home in Silver Lakes, east of Pretoria. They've also argued that given the high security at the complex, that his argument doesn't make sense, and also the fact that she was shot more than once. Hence, they don't believe him. They've asked the judge to give them more time so that they can prepare a well-rounded argument in their case against Mr. Pistorius.
Patricia, can you flesh out the emotional scenes that took place in court this morning?
Now, both families of Steenkamp and Pistorius were present in court this morning. I saw Mr. Pistorius' father, who appeared very emotional. His sister was crying, and Mr. Pistorius himself was, throughout the duration of the court proceedings, was crying the whole time, especially when the judge started mentioning the name of Riva Steenkamp.
Now, Patricia, did the defence respond to this? And just describe the scenes inside and outside the court this morning, hordes of international and local media.
Yes, the defense indeed did respond. In fact, they were pushing for bail as they actually wanted him not to be reprimanded in prison, but obviously they lost that part of their argument. And as for the emotion in court today, as I have mentioned, everybody was very overwhelmed and the media has been influxing. And as you can look behind me, there's still a whole lot of local and international media who have a high interest in this case. And I'm sure it's going to stay like this until later this afternoon.
Okay, thank you very much, Patricia. We'll leave it